In the previous class, I have taught you about the economics, yes, meaning and importance of economics and different types of economics, that is micro and macroeconomics, and why should we learn or why should we study the economics subject. Okay, so in this class we are going to study about the new concept. Yes, so that is in the economics there are some economic activities are there, that is production is there, yes, distribution is there, exchange is there, yes, and there are some basic problems are there in the economics, yes. So that is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce, yes. So we have discussed about these all problems, yes. And in this class we are going to discuss about the some that is some basic aspect of business studies, yes. So business study and the economic activities are the base for all business activities. So that's why I have taught you about first economics. So okay, so in this class we are going to discuss about the components of business studies. Fine. So in this part of social science we learn some basic aspect of business studies and economic activities which form the base for all business activities, yes. So first of all we will see about the term business, yes. So it is derived from the word busy, yes, that is busy, and therefore business means busy, yes. All of us need food, clothing, and shelter. So these are the basic necessity things of every human, yes. And we also have many other household requirements to be satisfied in our daily life, and we meet many of these requirements from the shopkeeper, yes. For example, if you want something purchased, so we go to shop and purchase whatever we want, okay. And the shopkeeper gets from wholesaler, yes, and the wholesaler gets from manufacturers. The shopkeeper and the wholesaler and the manufacturer are doing business, and therefore they are called as businessman, yes. So this is link that we called businessman or the business study, okay. So business is an economic activity and which is related with the continuous and regular production and distribution of goods and services for satisfying human wants, yes. So that is business. It is an economic activities, yes, and it is related to the regular production and distribution of all goods and services for satisfying human wants. So we have discussed about the economic activities, yes. So human being have innumerable wants, as we know, and the scarcity of the resources is a main problem. So and we have to satisfy our wants. We need goods and services, and goods are produced by agriculture and industries, and we require many services also, yes. And these goods and services are to be contributed among us, and the activities which are concerned with the production and exchange of goods services are called economic activities, yes. So we have discussed this one, and let's discuss about types of economic activities. So first one is business, second one is profession, employment, and exchange. So these are the economic activities. So first one is business, okay. So what is business? So business, it is mainly concerned with the production and exchange of goods and service, that we called business. So that is related to the production and exchange of the goods, yes. One more definition is there, that is profit and non-profit seeking activities of those engaged in purchasing or selling goods and services to be satisfy society's needs and wants, that we called business, okay. Next one is profession. So what is profession? So profession, it is mainly concerned with regarding of specialized technical and personal services, for example lawyers, doctors, chartered accountant, etc. So that is related to a specialized or technical and personal service, okay. So one more definition is there. So profession, it is an occupation or calling requiring advanced training and experience in some specific or specialized body of knowledge which provides service to society in that special field. Okay, for a profession, for example, there are so many professions are there, like teacher is there, lawyer is there, doctor is there, chartered accountants are there. So this we call profession. Okay, next employment. Yes, so employment, it is the work undertaken by the people under an employer for salary or wages. Yes, for example, that is working for salary, that we called employment. Yes, everyone is working for salary or working for money. Yes, for example, agricultural laborers are there, industrial laborers are there, teachers are there, doctors are there. Yes, and so many government servants are there, so that we called employment. Yes, and it is contract between two parties. Yes, one being the employer and other being the employee. Yes, so employer, it gives the job opportunity, and employee, he is working in that institute, okay, or organization. In a commercial settings, the employer conceive of productive activity generally with the intention of creating profits, and employee contributes labor to the enterprise, and usually it returns for payment of wages. Yes, so commonly the person who is working for salary, that we called employment. Okay, and to the extent that employee or the economic equivalent is not universal, unemployment exists. Okay, so this is all about employment. Next one is exchange. Yes, so the distribution of goods and service is called exchange. Yes, that is there are so many goods are there that are produced by the manufacturer, and there are so many services are that are produced by a manufacturer. So these all goods and services, it is distributed among the people, that we called exchange. Yes, and exchange is the connecting link between production and consumption. Yes, so once thing is produced, so that should goes to the consumer, so consumer, they can easily consume that thing, so that we called exchange. Yes, and the goods produced at a place have to reach consumers at different places. For example, one factory is there, so it produces different types of books or biscuits or chocolates. So that goods produced at a place, and that should be reach consumers in a different places of the country. Okay, and during the course of production, the producers take into consideration the market study, transportation, storage of goods, determination of price, and advertisement, etc. Yes, so entrepreneur or the owner of the company, he should know about the market study. Yes, he should know about the market and the transportation facility. If the transportation facility it is good, so he can easily get the profit. Yes, and the storage of goods. Yes, so he have some go downs, then he can easily store his goods. And determination of price. Yes, so determination of price, it is very important, and he should add some taxes, and whatever the other main taxes are there, he should include all taxes in that price. And advertisement, it is very very important. If someone is producing some goods, so if he didn't make advertisement, so his goods will not sold. Yes, and so entrepreneur, he should know about this all things. Yes, and all these aspects are included in the process of exchange. And today we have money as medium of exchange, and through money, exchange of goods and services is taking place. Yes, so if you want something purchase, so we have to pay some money for purchasing that good. So money, it is a medium of exchange. Okay, and through this we can purchase or we can experience the goods and services. And the exchange system has become the foundation for businesses. So exchange system, nowadays we have money, so we are making business by exchanging money. So this is all about the basic activities of economics. Okay, so in the next class we are going to discuss about the next one point. Okay, so thank you for watching video. Thank you.